Hey guys, my name is Arun and you're watching Bus Pigeons. I received something very cool in the mailbox and it are the Skyleader GPS rings. It's a very cool product. What can you do with it? Of course, it are GPS rings. You can put it on the existing foot ring of your pigeon. You let them train outside and you can follow the path they are flying. Of course, this is a simple unboxing video. Of course, I will also demonstrate how the ring works, how it looks, etc. So let's open the package. It's a very nice box. First we have the manual. We got the rings over here. We got like 5 GPS rings. We got the receiver, the reader. So you put a ring into the reader, you connect it to your computer so you can track the data. It will automatically load the data into the Skyleader software. Of course, there's another package inside. It's difficult to get outside. It's a very nice package. I like the style, the white and the red, of course a little bit black. We got the training rings here. Because those rings are a bit pricey, you can use empty GPS rings. There's no software, no battery in it. And when you lose a pigeon, you only lose a dummy ring. So that's a good idea. Nice that they've put that in. Of course, we have the charger. Each ring has a charger, and you can take out the batteries. Of course, you can open the ring like this, and you put the pigeon's foot inside and close it. And there's also the battery inside. Just simple. It weighs around 4 grams. So it's not too heavy for the pigeon. Of course, it's a very beautiful product. I'm going to test it, put it on the pigeon, and I will show you the results. So let's continue. I have opened the Skyleader software, so now I'm going to put the GPS ring into the reader so I can set up the time to track and follow the pigeon. So I'm going to grab a female pigeon where I put the GPS ring on. You got the existing foot ring here and you put the GPS ring around it. You can do it all with one hand. It needs some practice, but you can do it. Just like that, and close it. That's the GPS ring. It's really tight, so it will be activated in a few minutes. So it weighs only like 4 grams, so the pigeon doesn't have any problems with it. So let's put the birds outside and see how they do. So guys, the pigeons are back. I removed the GPS ring, so I'm going to put it into the receiver and load out the data. And we're going to press on read the ring. It can take a couple of seconds. Yes, and there it is. Look, I need to zoom in the camera a little bit so you guys can see it. So this is actually how they flew. They started around here and they flew all the way to this area. They made a few circles here in a city called Rectum. they flew all the back. The total distance they flew is around 1 hour, and they traveled around 50 kilometers. So it's very good to see, especially here. You can see a lot of activity here, and they really went crazy. I don't know what happened here, but they really flew a lot here. So it's very nice to see. Looks like they made a small stop here also. And of course, around my house, you can see a lot of activity. Coming in, coming outside, so they've done great. I'm really happy. I can open the satellite also, so you can see a lot more details. Yeah, I don't know what happened here, but just all of a sudden they had such a lot of activity, a lot of turns. So what you can also do is click on a marker, and you can see the total height. They flew around 200 meters up to the air. It's very high. The speed was like 1100 meters in a minute. I think it's something like 60 to 70 kilometers an hour. So they done really good. I'm really happy, guys. Guys, I'm really happy Skyleader sent me this package to test it. I'm really going to use it when I'm going to train my pigeons. For example, when your pigeons are flying for like 1 hour and you can't see them, you can think, hey, they flew very hard. They flew away in a straight line, but maybe they could have sit like for 40 minutes on a church and do nothing. So it's really useful information. You can adapt your trainings to it. For example, when they sit on one place, maybe you gave them too much food. So you need to experiment with this software. I want to thank Skyleader, of course, and see you guys next time. And of course, if you like my videos, thumbs up, subscribe with the notification bell on so you can keep updated about the next coming videos. Have a nice weekend, guys. Bye bye.